Alright, on to the review portion of this video. I've had the exhaust on the car for over 3 months now, and in my opinion it's perfect. There's zero drone, the cold starts aren't too loud with the boot mod tune. It's perfect for a daily driver. As you can tell from the videos, it definitely doesn't fall in the category of not being loud enough. And honestly, I didn't think the little 4-cylinder N20 engine could sound this good. The exhaust is a little pricey, but in my opinion, it's completely worth it.